I'm filling these holes because these holes are actually created because I already separated those conformal cooling design from this insert. Now it is closed, and I will just cross check it with the channel. Okay, channel is in the same place. Now, for machining point of view, we have to add some kind of a stop on it. So what we will do, we will just follow this part by 0.6. I'm adding a stop of 0.6. Yeah, it's showing us some kind of a error with the inserts. So stitching steps I have to follow. There are some shells, so these are minor shells. These are not having any kind of a volume, so we will remove them. Now it is okay. Now we will go for the hollow option and just see whether it is outside or inside. So we have to add the stop, so it should be outside. Now it will add a stop of 0.6 on all the surfaces. Then we will machine later. Yes, see. So it has added stops on the surfaces. Now we will fix the part once again and just check it whether there is a negative shell or not. So